What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Well, good day to everybody. All right, guys, I'm back. I want to show you a program I got started in. Actually, it's been 2 years now. I think it's a great program. It's kind of underrated. It should be getting more exposure. Has some great training with it. This program, you're able to earn $700 commissions. Okay, that's definitely nothing to sneeze at. Okay, it comes with a marketing system. You've got to check this out. I want you to watch this video. Go to that link in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Go look at this. Check this thing out. Maybe something you're interested in. As you can see while I'm talking to you, people are opting in and signing up. Look at the screen. See right here? Okay. So this is definitely something you should go check out. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Jot down your questions. I'll see you guys on the inside. Check it out.
I want to personally welcome you to the presentation and the opportunity of a lifetime. They call me Marcus Elevation Taylor, aka Marcus Taylor. Listen, this opportunity is for 4 types of people. People that want to take their money, their mindset, their health, and their relationships to the next dimension. There's no selling, there's no telling, there's no explaining. We'll give you all the resources you need to win. All you got to do is point people to this presentation. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Hey, my name's Danny, and I'm not one for the long, boring videos, so let me get straight to the point. The wealthy 3% of the world's population invest in systems and opportunities that make them money, while the poor 97% of the world's population spend their money solely on food, bills, and entertainment, which takes their money. Are you a part of the wealthy 3% or the poor 97%? If you're not where you want to be, you're in the right place at the right time with an opportunity to profit from one of the largest markets in the world, the $38 billion a year personal development, motivation, and empowerment arena. It's called affiliate marketing. That means leveraging and selling other people's products and services. Services you don't have to provide, products you don't have to create, pack, or ship, and no talking to friends and family if you don't want to. Not only do we give you the resources, training, and tips to attract people that are already looking for an opportunity, but today, when you become an ambassador, you'll get a replicated, secured version of this exact page with your very own referral link. And let me tell you, this presentation does all the selling, telling, explaining, and presenting 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days per year, in every time zone, all across the globe. Here at UE, we've created a very clear path to financial freedom that is not solely dependent on your own efforts, and not like the pyramid schemes or networking marketing companies that pay out a minuscule 5 to 10% and are only built for the seasoned marketer. Whether you're new to the industry of generating income online or a seasoned 6, 7, or even 8-figure earner, our pay plan is easy to understand and powerful enough to meet your personal financial objectives. We've proven that anybody from any socioeconomic background can create or maintain the lifestyle of their dreams. We've scrupulously crafted a pay plan that, in my opinion, is second to none. It all starts with our course. Today, when you join UE and pick up Marcus's transformational course and bonuses centered around mindset, health, money, relationships, you'll have the option of becoming a paid ambassador, promoting a brand, course, and CEO with millions of views via YouTube and massive global reach and influence. None other than Marcus Elevation Taylor. No other speaker on the internet is sharing over 70% of their course sales with their affiliates. Crazy, right? How would an extra $700 to $1,400 or more per day change your life? We're talking instant and direct pay to your bank account or chosen instant pay portal. Plus, each person you bring into the community that decides to become a paid ambassador is required to pass up their second sale to you. The software does this on autopilot. That means passive residual income on top of your direct sales. With each of your referrals' second sale, you'll earn an additional $700, paid instant and direct. At just 3 direct sales per week over the course of 1 year, you'd earn close to $110,000, and that's just 3 sales per week. Many of our ambassadors have made 2 to 3 sales in just 1 day. People from all over the world are diversifying their income through the power of affiliate marketing. Isn't it time you get your piece of that $38 billion pie? Listen, the time is now. Turn a one-time investment of $9.97 into a multi-stream of income. Get back to the person who shared their exclusive presentation link with you and start now.